So in a previous video we have discussed that what are landforms, right? The physical features which we see on earth, such as mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains and deserts, are known as physical features, right? And these physical features are called landforms or relief features. Now why they are called landform? Because they are found on land, right? Therefore they are known as landforms. Okay, now let us see what are mountains. So mountains, as we all know, it is a landform. Now a mountain is a landform higher than the surrounding area. So if you have seen mountains, so you have seen that it is higher than the surrounding land, surrounding area, right? Then a series of mountains arranged in a line. Okay, if you have seen a mountain range, if you have seen Himalayas, okay, if you have seen Himalayas in videos, okay, so you have seen it's arranged in a series, one after the other. In series means one after the other. You'll see many mountains of different sizes, right, arranged one after the other. It's arranged in a series. So such mountains which are arranged in a series, in a line, is called a mountain range. Okay, a series of mountains arranged in a line is called a mountain range. Now two examples of mountain ranges are, first is Himalayas, which is found in India. We all know Himalayas in India, in Asia, and the Rocky Mountains in North America. Okay, so there are Rocky Mountains, which is also mountain range, where mountains are arranged in a line. Okay, many mountains are arranged in a line. So these are two mountain ranges, examples of mountain ranges. Okay, so a mountain is a landform higher than the surrounding area. A series of mountains arranged in a line is called a mountain range. Two examples of mountain ranges, Himalayas in Asia and the Rocky Mountains in North America. So now when you look at the mountain, what you see? You see a peak, right? The highest point of the mountain. It's also known as the summit. Okay, all the mountain will have a summit. Now summit means what? What do you mean by summit? Summit means the highest point of the mountain. Okay, so the highest point of the mountain is called the summit, or is known as peak. So the summit of a mountain is called a peak. Now Mount Everest, okay, which is the highest peak of Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas, we all know, that is the mountain range. It has many mountains arranged in a line. So the highest peak of Himalayas is the Mount Everest. Okay, it is not only the highest peak of Himalayas, but it is also the highest peak in the world. The highest peak in the world at 8,848 meters high. Okay, 8,848 meters high. It is the highest peak in the world. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. Okay, so this was about mountains. Mountains is a landform that is higher than the surrounding area. A series of mountains arranged in a line is called as mountain range. Two mountain ranges example, Himalayas and Rocky Mountains. The peak, which is the highest point of the mountain, okay, and the highest peak is the peak Mount Everest of Himalayas, which is the highest peak of Himalayas, and also it is the highest peak in the world.